Hi traders, in this video I am going to talk about the best forex robot for forex trading that we are using, and we have shared the investor password of this account in the description of the video and as well as into the Telegram and WhatsApp groups. So guys, basically this robot works on a hedge and martingale basis, and it's running from a couple of months on our accounts and going very fine. With the low risk management, it's going very fine. So it's your choice to use it on a cent account and on a dollar account. So this is the profit that is made by the robot 236.88, and you can see this is the Exness real 8 account. This is not a demo account. And guys, I'm going to show you that how it performed today. You can see 0.01, 0.02, 3, 0.09. So this is how it will automatically take the trades. So basically you can see that the board is not mentioned here. Basically this board is set up on a VPS. So I'm making the video directly from my laptop, because it's not it's really difficult to record the video using the VPS. So you can see this is the floating loss that it is going at the moment, and the trade is in profit as well with 212.13. So when the profit will be added, then it will automatically add this profit in the account history, right? So this is the trading for today, but do not think that this is the only trading for today, because it's working extremely fine. So basically my broker deletes the history after every month. So let me show you that how it performed, because some of the history was deleted by the broker, otherwise everything is set up here. Okay, so this is the last week history that I am going to show you here. You can see this is the weekly profit 1377.75, and let me try to fetch the last month history so that I can show you. So from the last month, so if you're able to see, it's not changed yet. So let me see, because you know that when we talk about because when we're making the video from the laptop, then this is the problem little bit. Otherwise using the mobile phone, it's really very easy to fetch the history with no issues. Okay guys, I have tried 2 times to fetch the history of the last month, but overall it was above 1.6, I think so, that because there was something more than this, because this is the less profit. Let me try it again if I am able to fetch it again. So last month, and then clicking here. Okay, so overall it's not working. However, I have shown you the history up to last week, and you can see this is the floating profit right now. Okay guys, one more thing, that we have licenses for this robot. This is not a free robot, this is the licensed robot, and you can get your lifetime licenses by contacting us on our official email, that is info@200forexpips.com, or you can also contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. You can also contact at any place you want. And moreover guys, the investor password is shared in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video.